Welcome back to the KOAM Morning News. Like I said, I can't get this jacket on now. We've got some really windy conditions out there, so we've had I really can't get this jacket on. You know what? Forget the jacket. All right, we're good. But we've had some windy conditions, so I've been keeping an eye on that because we've had some power flickers here at the station. So just keeping an eye on all that. Those winds definitely gusting, probably pushing about 45, maybe even 50 miles an hour out there as we're in a dry slot from some rain. So hopefully we can hold on and get through some more excellent soy cookies here with Charlene. Welcome back to the show.
Thank you. A great time to be in the kitchen this morning, isn't it?
It's a perfect time to be in the kitchen.
Well, what we're doing today is we did the spider cookies earlier. Now we're going to make little monster cookies. Fun things that you can do with your children at home. This is a no-bake cookie, and we're talking about soy because I'm with the Kansas Soybean Commission, and these are 1 cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips and 1 cup of butterscotch chocolate chips. You can smell those,
yes,
can't you?
You can.
Yeah. And what I've put them in here, and I'm going to let you turn our heat up. Let me see, that one there, just turn it up a little bit now because we want to just melt this. And probably your viewers might be surprised to know there is soy in both of those ingredients there. It's soy lecithin, and soy lecithin is one of those ingredients that really helps other foods be better. It makes it nice and smooth and helps blend ingredients. And look at that. We'll mix that all together. Now I'm going to have you add another soy ingredient, and that is a 1/2 cup of soy nuts. Okay. And that's going to give us some crunch, and you can turn down our heat now.
All right.
Because we've got that nice and melded. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Add that. We'll stir that in. That's going to give us some crunch. And you can either use plain roasted soy nuts, or you can use the honey roasted ones. And then we have 2 cups of bran cereal. Yeah, and you can just pour that in. And I'm going to just mix that. How easy is this? So if you want to have an easy recipe that makes it fun for your kids, and then also when you are doing trick-or-treaters, we have a lot of families that like to make rather than give packaged ingredients or candies and things. This would be a great thing that you could make ahead of time and give to your trick-or-treaters too. Okay, now I'm going to let you turn the heat off for us.
Okay.
And what we're going to do here, Chris, is that I've got a pan here that I put the parchment paper on because these could go in the refrigerator, but we're just going to drop them by spoonfuls. And then I'm going to let you take 2 of those candies, and you're going to make the eyes for our monsters. How about that?
Oh, I can do that. I've got the easy job here this morning.
There you go. Go ahead and add those. And if you wanted to have those right away, I would suggest putting them in the refrigerator. There you go. Perfect. Right. And if kids wanted to add some other decorations, there's so many fun things. There's orange sprinkles out there. We could have sprinkled them a little bit. They could make a nose on them. But a fun, easy holiday treat. We could also add, you and I had some soy nut butter earlier this morning in our recipe. We could have put a little bit of soy nut butter in here too. Want to remind everyone we all need 25 grams of soy protein every single day. And then that great new research that has come out that if we give our kids soy early on, it helps prevent cancer later on in life. Really exciting news to share with parents.
There's a lot of benefits to soy that people don't necessarily realize. And of course, as you mentioned, this is new research. So this is something a lot of people don't know yet. So this has got to be really exciting because, we talked about earlier, sometimes people, they just see soy on the box, and if they're not familiar, they think, it's one of those health food things. It probably tastes awful. And in reality, that's not the case.
No, and there are a lot of great soy protein choices out there. We talk about the soy nuts, but you can get black beans. You can get edamame in the frozen food section. Those are all great foods that add soy protein to your diet that help us meet that 25 grams goal that we have each day. The other one, we did show this a little bit this morning. I love this. This is our soy milk milk beverage. And when you look and compare, because there's a lot of options out there for different kinds of soy or beverages anymore, but look at the label, look at how much protein there is in it. You'll find that this has a lot of healthy benefits, and especially for families that may have allergies, a lot of times they turn to soy because they can have that as an alternative.
Yeah, and as you mentioned the protein, this box right here says that there's 8 grams of protein in this. So, and protein is essential for growth and development too. So, I mean, there's a lot of great benefits to all these products.
Absolutely. And if they want more information, they should go to our website. They can always call our 800 number, 877-KS Soybean, and ask, and we will send them all the recipes for this month and send them the new research that's on our website.
All right. And of course, we'll have links to all that information on our website at KOAMnewsnow.com. Charlene, thanks so much for joining us this morning. We're back with more news and weather right after this.